Hello everybody. Microsoft Visio is one of the most powerful programs in working with diagrams and architecture pictures which you can find. The hefty price tag comes with the territory. Nevertheless, it always had a flaw regardless of the computer on which it was installed on. Searching function for the stencil never worked. Maybe it is a problem encountered by other people as well. Therefore, here is the solution. By default, for some reason beyond my comprehension, when installing Microsoft Visio, you don't get added in your indexing option the extension files used by Microsoft Visio automatically. As a result, even if your index is being rebuilt, you don't see anything happening. The fix for this problem is to manually add to the index the stencil extensions downloaded from the internet so that the search can look for them. Therefore, you can go to Start, open Indexing Options. Below, add the VSS extension. You can see it here. Check that index properties and file context is being checked. And also add the VSSX extension. And again, verify that index properties and file contents is checked. Click on OK. And then go back to Advanced and click on Rebuild. After the rebuild is being done, you will see your stencils available in Microsoft Visio. Let's have a look. Let's open a new file. And let's search for some shape, for example, cloud. After some time, the indexing is being done and you can find all the stencils available for cloud. This will be pretty much it. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next time. Bye.